What's the meaning of balding? Balding. Balding.
Balding. Balding. Balding refers to the gradual loss of hair on the scalp, which can result in a person's hair becoming thinner and less dense. This condition is typically seen in men as they age, although women can also experience it. Different factors can contribute to balding, including genetics, hormonal changes, and damage to the hair follicles. Baldness can have significant psychological effects on individuals, leading to self-esteem issues and, in some cases, depression. Treatment options for balding include medications, hair transplants, and scalp micropigmentation. However, it is essential to consult a medical professional to determine the most appropriate course of action.